So today we are in Bangkok, Thailand, and we are here to experience the most iconic festival in the world, or what they call Songkran. Songkran in Thailand is when friends and family comes together to celebrate when you have a chance to bless your elders or your loved ones. I'm here today with my girlfriend and we are about to hit the street of Bangkok and start this crazy water fight. Songkran is so much more than being sprayed by water guns or soaked by buckets of water. It's all about letting go of the bad elements, negativity, and what is gold, and having fun and living your best life. Experiencing this beautiful energy firsthand is definitely one of the highlights of my life, and something that I feel everyone should experience in their life.